Say hi from Cherish Math. Today I'm going to deal with a question that feels rather tricky. Here is the question that I'm going to deal with. From the time Lily gets up until her bus leaves at 8:03 a.m., she uses 1/5 of the time having a shower and getting dressed. Then 1/4 of the remaining time packing her lunch and school bag. 1/3 of the remaining time having breakfast, and then 1/2 of the remaining time practicing the piano, which she finishes at exactly 7:45 a.m. At what time does Lily get up? Here is the list of the activity that I lay out here to show Lily involves in. We're looking at the total amount of time that I label here in the form of variable t, where she gets up until her bus leaves at 8:03 a.m. For each of the activity, it is shown in the list here. Shower and getting dressed takes 1/5 of the t time, that is 150, which means the time remaining is actually 450. I got it out from by using t minus 1/5 of the t, that is the same as 4/5 of the t. Now the second part here, packing her lunch and school bag takes 1/4 of the remaining time, which is 450, and that is actually 150. That remains 350. How I get the 350 is by using the 450, which is, I got it from here, minus the 150, and that is remaining with 350. Having breakfast is taking 1/3 of her remaining time, so I'm using 1/3 multiplied by 350, which is, I got it out from here. And now the answer is 150 as the time taking for the breakfast. That remains 250, and I got a 250 by using 350 of the remaining time minus 1/5, so I get 250. And now practicing the piano is taking 1/2 of the remaining time from this 250. When it is multiplied to each other, it produces 150, which is the time required for the practicing of the piano. That remains 150 is from this 250 minusing the 150, and 150 is the time that left. This amount of time, which is 150, it is from 7:45 a.m. until 8:03 a.m. as her waiting time, and this is the same or equivalent to 18 minutes. I can equate it from 150 to 18 minutes, and that produce by using 5 cross multiplied to 18, and I get 90 minutes as the total amount of time for all these activities and the time of waiting as well. 90 minutes before the 8:03 a.m. is her time of gets up, which is at 6:33 a.m. I hope you enjoyed the movie. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.